Hey everybody, happy Saturday. I have my personal assistant here, Miss Maya. And we're actually here at the zoo today, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like 65 degrees, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but I have some black belly sheep, and then there's some royal palm turkeys over there. They were making some noise a couple minutes ago, so that was always fun. For those of you who have not connected with nature recently, I highly recommend that you go to your local zoo and bring littles like this one, so that you can get in touch with nature. It's really important. I wanted to come here today to talk a little bit. I had a friendly reminder. Well, actually it wasn't very friendly. I took on a deep cleaning for a client who was an older client from my old company, and I wasn't pushy with the contract, and had some people walking by because I wasn't pushy with the contract. When it came time to cancel, here, got some more people walking by. Say hi. It became, I'm going to follow this policy, and I'm not going to follow this policy thing. So I had to be reminded gently by the universe that I have to make sure that everyone signs a contract, because what happens is if you don't make them sign the contract, then they pull shenanigans like I want to cancel, and you're like, why do you want to cancel? And then they give you a laundry list on why they want to cancel, and it's always last minute, and you could have sold the spot like 5 times. So technically she did owe me, and some not nice words were exchanged, and she's 86 for life, but it's my fault. I took it upon myself to give her grace, and this is what happens, right? When you give someone grace, they take a whole mile. So having contracts are important. So I also wanted to come out here and congratulate Miss Stacy. Stacy, if you're watching this, congratulations for taking that leap and making yourself an official LLC. I'm really proud of you, and I can't wait to work with you more. So that's even exciting there. And if you're interested in the contract bundle, it is $99. You get like, I think last I checked, there's like 15 documents in there, and it's important. These are already pre-made PDFs. All you have to do is copy and paste and make them your own, and it will make your business run a lot smoother, especially with cancellations, especially with show-up fees, electricity. Those types of things are really important to make your shifts run smoother so that your employees want to hang out. So yes, I was reminded this week of how I need to make everyone utilize the contract format. I didn't do it myself, and I played on emotions, and I paid the price, and I ate $500. So having contracts are important. Hit me up if you want them, and I'll be more than happy. You can Venmo me or Facebook me the money, or we can do a credit card. So once again, I hope that you guys have a wonderful Saturday. You take care.